Today you'll learn how to make love pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Let's go. First choose red color and after that select the square shape. Give it the size and round at its edges. Press Shift and 10 shape. From Edit choose Copy, after that choose Paste in front. Then right-click and choose Reflect from Transform. Make Select to all shape, then choose Shape Builder tool. Alt-click and remove this edges. Then choose Pathfinder from Window. And select the first. Press Shift and left-click to make it small. Go to Object and choose Pattern, then Make. After that change title type to hex by column and change the sizes too. Press Done. Now you can make square and choose love pattern from colors. At the end press twice in the love pattern shape. Then you can control the love icon size by make it small and change sizes to look good. Finally you did it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.